friends, welcome back to your English speaking journey. Today I am going to give the solution of the problem that I have already discussed in the previous video, not having a speaking partner. But before sharing the solution, I want to recap the content. I know that not having a speaking partner can feel a huge obstacle. But don't worry, if you don't have someone to talk to you, you have yourself. You can practice with your own. There are many ways to improve your speaking skills. In this video, I will share some creative and effective techniques which can help you overcome the challenges you face while speaking English, and ultimately you can boost your confidence. So let's quickly understand why a speaking partner is important. A speaking partner helps you practice real life conversation, builds your confidence and improve your fluency. But if you don't have a speaking partner, does that mean you can't improve? Absolutely not. Let's explore some powerful techniques you can practice to boost your confidence in speaking English. The first one is talk to yourself. Yes, you heard this right. Talk to yourself. Choose a quiet place and start talking out loud. You can talk about your daily routine, describe what you are doing, or even sharing your thoughts. For example, say I am going to the market to buy some vegetables. This simple habit trains your brain to think in English and boost your confidence without any pressure or judgment. The second one is use a mirror. Practicing in front of a mirror is a fantastic way to improve your speaking skills. Look at yourself, maintain eye contact, and pretend that you are talking to someone else. For example, you can introduce yourself or explain about your favorite topic in front of the mirror. This not only improves your speaking skills but also body language and the confidence to make a real life conversation. The third important point is record your voice. Another great method is to record your voice and listen to it. Use your phone or any kind of recording app and talk about your daily activities for 1 to 2 minutes. Later, listen to your record and note areas where you can improve, such as pronunciation, fluency, sentence structure, and so on. And after some days, you will realize that how much better you sound. The fourth important point is watch and repeat. Watch English movies, TV shows and YouTube videos and try to repeat the sentence. Focus on the pronunciation that they are already pronounced and try to imitate the tone and accent. For example, pick a sentence like "How are you today?" and repeat it until it sounds natural. This improves your pronunciation and listening skills. Imagine a scenario like you are ordering food at a restaurant, you are booking ticket, or introducing yourself at the meeting. You have to act both parts of the conversation, yours and the other person's. This makes practice fun and engaging and prepare yourself for real life conversation. The sixth important point that I am going to share is read aloud. Pick an article, read aloud for 30 minutes regularly. This helps improve your pronunciation and fluency. Focus on the rhythm and clarity on your speech. Remember, fluency doesn't come overnight. It comes from consistent effort. Even if you don't have a speaking partner, don't worry. You have yourself. You can practice in your own. You can definitely develop yourself by taking a great commitment that you can do it. These techniques might feel a bit strange for the first time, but trust me, they work. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. So don't let the lack of your speaking partner hold you back. Start practicing today with these methods and watch yourself day by day that you are improving. And let me know in the comment box which method you are going to try first. Remember, the best partner you will ever have is your own determination. Keep practicing, keep learning and keep growing. चलो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एक नए लेसन के साथ. थैंक यू.